You have been learning Java for months. Maybe you know loops, oops, even some Spring Boot, but you still can't build a real application from scratch. You are not alone. And it's not because you are not capable. It's because Java learning out there teaches you syntax, not how to actually become a developer. Hi, I am Dinbandhu from AlgoVentra and I have some 1.5 year of experience as a Java developer, and I and my team built AlgoVentra because I kept seeing the same gap: talented people who understood concepts but had never built anything end to end, never touches a real project, and had no idea how to walk into interview and prove what they could do. Here what usually happens: you start learning Java, you find YouTube playlist, then you another one for a Spring Boot, then a different one for React. 6 months later, you know pieces, but you have never connected them. You have never built something that talks to a database, has a real front end, and actually runs with a product a company could use. And when it's interview time, you freeze because you knowing concepts and believing able to build are two very different skills. At AlgoVentra, we don't just teach you Java, we take you through the entire full stack journey: core Java, Spring Boot, REST application, database, React on front end, but structured the way a real project gets built, not as disconnected topic. Every concept is tied to something you actually build. By the time you are done with the module, you are not just watching, you are building it yourself. Okay? Don't think. Now, by the end of this course, like so many courses are there, I will explore some courses. See, you choose Java full stack or DSA plus Java full stack. By the end of this course, you will have built and deploy a full stack Java application, real projects you can show, not just certificate you can claim. You will understand how the pieces fit together, and you will be ready to walk into interviews with confidence because you will have actually done the work. If you are beginners, a starting fresher, a student trying to stand out, or a working professional looking to switch into development, this course is built to take you from where you are to job ready step by step. So I am going to attach all the details of enrollments in the below description. Okay, bye bye. I will see you inside the class. Thank you.